Hey guys, what's happening? How to withdraw money from Kraken to a bank account. So under the transfer and trade, you're gonna see portfolio. Click on it. And then what you're gonna do is scroll a little bit down to find your US dollars. If you haven't transferred or if you haven't converted your crypto to cash, here's what you're gonna do. Click the crypto that you want to convert, say Bitcoin. And under that, or not under, next to that withdraw, you're gonna see three dots. Click on it and then convert this asset for another by hitting convert. And then you're gonna convert, let's say 25% of the Bitcoin to a USD, or you can click the USD coin right here and change it to whatever currency. You have the euro, Canadian dollar, pound sterling, Swiss franc, Australian dollar. So convert it to whatever currency you're dealing with, and then hit continue, and you're gonna see the fees. Swipe to confirm that you want to transfer or convert this to a cash. Afterwards, you're gonna go back to the portfolio and you're gonna see the US dollar or the Australian dollar or Canadian dollar here, right, as a cash. So go ahead and click your currency, in my case US dollar, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit withdraw under the balance, and then enter the amount that you want to transfer. Let's say $5, right? And then under the $5, you're gonna see add new bank or bank account details. Go ahead and click, and you're gonna see two options: Swift via Bank Frick or Etana custody if you want to do that, right? So select the withdrawal method and enter the bank name and the Swift and the IBAN and everything. And afterwards, you're gonna be able to see the fees right here for the Swift or for your local bank account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.